Skyler with Ignite Attachments. This is our 7-foot Snowpusher. We've got the Backdrag kit here to install. Comes with all the hardware you need. They're a 5/8 bolt, so you need just a 15/16 to get this thing installed. Easiest way to do it: set this thing on its face, put some blocks under it, and then align the cutout notch here with the flare bit. The rubber cutting edge will be facing out, and you can just slide this thing in and bolt it up. Do a little bit of muscle into it. Can-do spirit. Should be pretty easy to do. Let's get after it. These do come with a nylon locking nut, so you get some good quality hardware. Still pretty slippery though. Just like that, you'll be able to push it or pull it, bop it, twist it, whatever you want to do. Everything is at igniteattachments.com. You can get these things shipped right to your door.